Hey guys, and in today's video, let's do a video comparison between GoPro Hero 10 Black and Insta360 Go 2. So, if you were thinking about the video quality between these two cameras, which one you should get for yourself, or maybe you are looking for a secondary camera to get that B-roll or simply get a different angle, then this video is going to be for you. So I use these cameras in different lighting conditions, collecting only the best shots over a course of a few weeks. And I try to collect POV shots, follow-up shots and selfies just to give you a basic idea of what you can expect when you get one of these cameras out of the box. So both of these cameras were set to auto settings as I wanted to keep things simple. Okay, so without further ado, let's take a look at the footage. So I know that obviously it's not a fair comparison because GoPro Hero 10 Black can record videos in 4K or even 5.3K resolution, whereas Insta360 Go 2 can record up to 1440p. Now the thing is that most of the people nowadays watch online content on their phones, so 1080p is more than enough. So it all comes down to the color science. And I will say that I personally like the colors on the GoPro much more. I think that the overall picture quality on the GoPro is better and more professional. On the Go 2, the colors were also vibrant, it looked different. I would say it offers a much brighter, less contrasty look, but sometimes the colors were oversaturated, especially in the sky. Obviously, I could get much better results if I only set these cameras to manual settings, etc. For example, on the GoPro Hero 10 Black, the picture was sometimes over-sharpened, even though I set this camera to medium sharpness. With Insta360 Go 2, you cannot set your sharpness level yourself, but it's acceptable. It's definitely not as strong as on the GoPro. I just wish that you could have some more creative control and you could set it yourself. I think it's worth to also mention that Insta360 Go 2 has a 360 degrees horizon lock out of the box, whereas on the GoPro, certain shots were a little bit unleveled, and what you can do about it is to simply set your camera to linear field of view with horizon leveling. Unfortunately, it crops in on that image, or you can get optional accessory GoPro Max lens mode, but it costs $100, so it's also not ideal. Okay guys, so what do you think about this comparison? Hopefully this video contains enough of real-life examples showing you the colors and auto exposure, etc. so it can help you make a final decision. As I said before, it's not gonna be a really fair comparison because Insta360 Go 2 is a really tiny camera. You can put it on top of your helmet or a head strap and you won't even feel like there is a camera even there. And since this camera is so small and tiny, as it weighs like 26 grams, it's very easy to mount this camera in some weird places. Anyway guys, so for today's video that's it. So what do you think about this comparison? It would be really awesome if you could give this video a thumb up and even subscribe to the channel if you haven't before. This way you're gonna help me grow this channel so more people can see my content. Thank you so much for watching guys, and see you guys in the next one.